promise to respect everyone equally, to break stereotypes, and to support fairness for all, men and women alike.
Let's remember that gender equality starts with us.
Together, let's build a world where both boys and girls can shine equally bright.